Quizzes are an easy way to provide opportunities for students to check their understanding. They are considered formative assessments, so it's a good idea to develop frequent quizzes in your course, maybe once a module. We will allow multiple attempts for quizzes, which means that students can go back to the quizzes and attempt them many times. This allows them to see their mistakes and learn from their incorrect responses. When you develop your quiz, focus on a single concept. Limit the number of questions on the quiz. It's better to provide more short quizzes than it is to provide longer but infrequent quizzes. Many types of quizzes can be automatically scored by D2L, which means that the results can be instantly accessible to the students. These quizzes contain multiple choice questions, true, false, fill in the blank, and matching. On the other hand, the short answer and essay questions have to be graded by the instructor, so students won't be able to have instant access to their grades. Here are a few cautionary words about each type of quiz question. Multiple choice questions are probably the most common type. Many publishers provide test banks with plenty of multiple choice questions sorted by course objective, so that makes it easy for you to pick and choose the questions you want to use. If you write your own multiple choice questions, be sure to provide at least 4 response options. 2 options should be closely related, so the student has to think pretty deeply about which option is the best choice. Don't make the quiz questions too easy, but don't make them too hard. Our goal is to help students discern the correct answer and think through why that answer is more correct than the other response options. If you write true, false questions, this is best when the student has to explain why they chose true or false. But that entails a written response, which means the instructor has to grade it and it takes longer to get the results to the student. Fill in the blank questions usually require the student to spell correctly, so if spelling is going to be a problem, it might be better to choose some other type of format. Matching questions are better learning activities when there are more response options to the question stems. We don't want students to resort to a process of elimination to get to the right answer. As a general rule of thumb, the short answer and essay type of questions are really the best at getting the students to share what they understand, but they do require more effort to grade. You'll also need to provide the correct answer for all your questions, and that would include the short answer and essay questions.